Interestingly, just an interesting sociological piece, on the sixth floor of the apartment building where we lived, we created a shtetl because the neighbors kind of adopted these newcomers. And all of a sudden, they began to use the Yiddish that they had had in their homes. And so one couple really spoke Yiddish well, and their kids also were going to the Shalom Aleichem. Okay? But there were 4 other couples whose Yiddish was what they remembered, when they were kids, when the parents didn't want them to understand. And all of a sudden, the whole 6th floor of 3433 DeKalb Avenue was speaking Yiddish. And so that was just, I hadn't thought about that, but that was an interesting development, and people enjoyed it. And of course, we shared many other things.